In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Smartsheet data. If you've accidentally removed a sheet, report, or dashboard, don't panic. Smartsheet includes a built-in safety net that makes it straightforward to bring those items back. Start by heading to smartsheet.com. Once you're signed in, look at the left side of the screen for the main navigation. Click Browse. This area is your file explorer for Smartsheet, where you can see workspaces, folders, and all your items in one place. Now scroll down through the Browse panel. Near the bottom, you'll find a section called Deleted Items. Think of this as your Smartsheet recycle bin. Go ahead and click Deleted Items to open it. Here, Smartsheet lists items that were removed from your account, typically for a limited time window before they're permanently purged. You'll usually see the item names and when they were deleted, which helps you confirm you're restoring the right thing. Next, select the item you want to bring back. You can click directly on a single item to highlight it. If you need to recover more than one, you can select multiple items the same way. Take a moment to check names and dates so you don't restore the wrong version, especially if your team uses similar naming conventions across projects. With your selection made, look for the Actions menu. Click Actions to open the options available for the selected item or items. From that menu, choose Undelete. Smartsheet will restore the item to its original location whenever possible, such as the folder or workspace it came from. If that original location no longer exists or you don't have permission to place it there, Smartsheet may restore it to a default area like your home or personal space where you can move it afterward. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the item you expected, it may have been permanently deleted after the retention period, or you may not have the right permissions to view or restore it. Owners and admins typically have the broadest ability to undelete. If you're part of a larger organization, your system or account admin might be able to help. Also, restoring a sheet brings back its structure and data as it was at the time of deletion, but any changes made after deletion obviously won't be there. That's it. Go to Browse, scroll to Deleted Items, select what you need, click Actions, and choose Undelete. With these steps, you can quickly recover deleted Smartsheet data and get back to work with minimal disruption.